Okay, tonight I'm just doing a couple of real short ones. The first one was one that popped up earlier today for me, and I believe it was at a fan meeting in Barcelona. He is singing Bésame Mucho, and just a little bit of backstory on that. Bésame Mucho, Kiss Me a Lot, was a song that was written in 1932 by Mexican songwriter Consuelo Velasquez. Forgive me if I mispronounced her last name. But for a long time after the song got recorded, people thought that it was a male writer because of the ending on her first name. And it was later, of course, identified that it was a female who wrote this song. And it was recognized in 1999 as the most recorded and covered Spanish language song of all times. It was, sung by a lot of people, including the Beatles did a version of it. Ray Conniff, if you're familiar with the orchestra, it was one of theirs. Trini Lopez did a recording of it. The Beatles did one. Dean Martin sang it a lot. And Placido Domingo sang it. And he received a Grammy nomination for Best Latin Pop Performance for his version of this in 1983. But for now, we're going to hear Dimash's version of it. Let's do it. Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuese noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho. And you? Que tengo miedo a perderte después. Bésame mucho, que tengo miedo a perderte después. That one was so short that I am going to do another one from a fan meeting. And this one is Dimash, along with his brother Mansour. And one of the things I like about this is you get to see kind of the family dynamics and how supportive they are of each other. I believe his father is there, but Dimash is more or less in this particular song putting the spotlight on his brother, and I think that's pretty neat. From the same fan meeting in Barcelona.
I hope we can sing together. Also cameraman and singer.
Look at the pride on his face.
Are you ready to sing with us? Bésame.
And that's it for tonight. Just those quick little ones that I found that I wanted to get in what has been a very busy week. My grandson graduating from high school, and in a couple of weeks he will actually graduate from college, doing a little simultaneous study work. So high school 1 week and 2 weeks later, college. My son became engaged. My daughter from Boston flew in, of course, for the graduation. So, family and that. So it's been a busy week, and I didn't get to do very many of the videos. So I wanted to get this one in for the start of this week. And with that, I will say good night. Have a great day, and above all, peace.